Namaskar, dear friends. Rohit is welcoming you in Astro-Dowsing channel. Dowsing is an ancient practice for observation, searching, and detection. This method used to apply for water searching earlier. But in Indian soil, our saints used this method for searching and enlightenment. Today, that style is continuing through many researchers in many different methods through many different devices. I practice astro-dowsing, which covers almost maximum areas to support mankind. It helps to improve mental and physical health, social acceptance, career growth and upliftment, etc. It protects from evil eyes also. Astro-dowsing method covers observation, detection, scalar wave healing and spiritual upliftment. Quantum entanglement and Nikola Tesla scalar sound and light energy help to connect and alleviate many physical and social problems and obstacles. Astro-dowsing is basically a God-gifted spiritual power in occult science which connects omniscient subconscious brain. It can evaluate the status of aura for any living or non-living object. Combination of astro-dowsing and quantum entanglement is showing miracles in health sector and political arena as well. Saint Adi Shankaracharya proved us the way to save our Mother Earth through Earth acupuncture system. The great Werner Cameron and Gustav Ferrier von Paul also proved the wonder of map dowsing or political dowsing through different experiments. I am sure one day the oldest method of Indian spiritual healing will get the status of treatment in medical science. Those days are not far away from us when people will reach healing hospitals to alleviate themselves. That time, it will be the need of hour to create DNA bank to connect people in the fastest possible method for providing them healing frequencies immediately. Through quantum entanglement, it is also possible to neutralize the negative impact of stress zone, which can help us to reduce accidents in accident-prone zone. We can reduce geopathic stress through quantum entanglement. Stress-free zone is needed to get better environment for a healthy life. Brain is the most vulnerable place which gets affected due to high stress zone. We are making roads in thousands of miles every day with modern technology, better scientific equipments and materials. But we are not yet successful to reduce the number of accidents. Once upon a time, people used to ignore the importance and relevance of quantum physics, especially the miracle of quantum entanglement. World is moving forward and people have started accepting many things with the development of various scientific research and experiments. I am sure one day will come when the governments of various states will accept our method and will enlist this system to their budget for mankind. This implementation of better process through this ancient technology will definitely help everyone for the future. Thank you.